Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be playing with the new Mythical epic before it is even out, thanks to hacks. So I'm going to be showing you what it looks like first. So if we go over to buddies, I'm currently wearing the member from this week, but here is Lummonite. And this is what it looks like. It looks super cool. It says, on sunny days, Luminite loves to romp through flower-filled fields, soaking up the sun rays. So I think that might be the same as what Luma or whatever, I can't remember anymore, says. I will check. So here's Luma. This one, I don't know why it says Luminite. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be named Aura. So that is weird, but we are going to be battling with this. It looks like this. It says about, yeah, so stats, power to hearts. It has a lot of power, which is good. It's an element of fire, and we are going to be battling with it, and then we are going to have Luma next to it just for comparison while we're battling, so let's get into it. So we are going to go ahead and battle the Titan, but before we get into it, make sure to like and subscribe. We are trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the month. And honestly, this moving, it looks kind of weird. Maybe that's because I can't see it very well when it's moving for some reason. Because it's kind of blurry. But, it looks sort of weird. But I do like how it looks a lot. But, so yeah. As I was saying, make sure to like and subscribe so that we can get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of May. And, yeah. So we are in the battle, and we are going to start off with Vulcan, and we're going to easily get the answer correct because we're on first grade math. And let's see the attack animation. Okay, its wings get very, very big. And that is kind of weird. So that is 1,942, I think it was. And we did 4,887. So let's use Vulcan again. How many counters are shown below? And we got that one correct as well. And the attack animation again, kind of weird, but it does look very cool. Like it's weird in a cool way. And it's a lot bigger than Luma. And yeah, this is a pretty cool mythical epic that we got here. I'm definitely going to use this. I'm going to be making a video tomorrow where I'm going to be getting, or trying to get it. So if you want to see that, make sure to come back tomorrow to see it. And yeah, that's pretty much going to end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.